Imagine surviving in the harshest place on Earth. That's exactly what 15 sled dogs did in Antarctica, inspiring the incredible true story behind Nankyoku Monogatari, Antarctica. In 1958, a Japanese expedition to the South Pole faced disaster. As brutal weather closed in, the team was forced to evacuate, leaving their 15 loyal huskies behind. They promised to return. 8 of the 15 sled dogs managed to break loose from their chains, while the other 7 starve. As the months pass, most die or disappear. 11 months later, on 14th of January 1959, Kitagawa, one of the dog handlers in the first expedition, returns with the Third Cross Winter Expedition. They, though all the dogs, has died. He, along with the 2 dog handlers Ushioda and Ochi, recover the frozen corpses of the 7 chained dogs, but are surprised to discover that 8 others have broken loose. To everyone's surprise, they found 2 huskies, Taro and Jiro, still alive, and greeted warmly at the base by them. No one knows how the dogs struggled with the elements and survived. The story was immortalized in the 1983 film Nankyoku Monogatari, Antarctica.